My name's Justin. I was nominated for the ALS Bucket Challenge. There's my bucket. Kevin B.A.'s one that nominated me. I got 15 bags of ice in this son of a gun. I'm gonna cry.
Who are you nominating?
I'm nominating Bristol Cotter, Josh Kelly, Aaron Kelly, Jim Simone.
Let's go.
Do it. Do it.